everyone, I just wanted to give you an update and show you how you can use the browser, just Chrome or Safari or whatever it is that you use on your phone or a desktop, a laptop, anything like that, as a backup to the app, to the TLC app if it's not working. So first you're going to go to tlcfc.com/login, and that's going to take you to the login page. You're going to use the same email address and password that you use to log into the app, so it's no different, completely all the same. And when you get there, this is what you're going to look like. It's going to look like on the desktop if you're using a laptop. I'll show you in a second what it looks like if you are using a smartphone or other mobile device. But you're going to be able to go to see open shifts right here, just like you would on the app. It just looks a little different. You can click on it and tell us if you're interested, might be interested, or if you want to accept the job. You'll also be able to update your availability right here. So you can see that you can, again, look at it for the week or the month. If you need to create a new availability, you can just click right within the calendar on the date that you need it to be, and you can tell us if you're available, not available, what times, give us any notes. You can also set recurring availability. As a reminder, if you do set recurring availability, you need to make sure that you don't have more than one set of recurring availability going on at any given time. So you can see you can utilize these effective from date and effective until date, or you can just delete it. Delete the old recurring availability and add new recurring availability. You just need to make sure that on any given date, there's only one set of recurring availability that's going on there. So that's what that looks like. You can also look at your booked shifts right from here. And so you can see your list of what's upcoming and any other jobs that are there. If you really want to see past jobs, you can click that and see all your past jobs as well. Okay, so wanted to show you what it looks like if you're using a mobile device to log in again through the browser. This is not through the app. So if you get a text message from us with a link, this is what it's going to go to. So again, you're going to log in using the same credentials that you use for the app, all the same. So once you get to this version, you're going to see similar to what you saw on my laptop version. You're going to see my profile, in which case you can go through and look through all of that information and update anything that you need to. And then you're also going to be able to look at open shifts here as well. You'll see the calendar here. If you want to look at it in a different way, you can look at it through the whole month and see the open shifts that are available to you. And again, you can click on them, and they look similar to the app in that, you can add additional dates, but this is where you can accept it or say you're not interested in shifts that are available to you. You can also update your availability here. Again, this is another option that you can use if the app is not working out for you. Again, if you're looking at it and you want to add a date of availability, just click inside the date and it'll open up that date, and you can tell us if you're available or not available, if there's specific times that you're available on that. And then again, recurring availability can be updated here again. And then you can also see what your upcoming shifts are and what they look like. And you can see past shifts as well if you want to take a look at those. If you have any favorite families, those are going to be there as well.